Have you ever felt like you were living on autopilot, constantly going through the motions without really being present in the moment? You're not alone. With the fast-paced world we live in, it's easy to get caught up in our thoughts and worries, and forget to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. That's where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment, without judgment. It's a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. Mindfulness can be practiced anytime and anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, it's possible to be mindful and fully engaged in the present moment. One of the most common mindfulness practices is mindful breathing. This involves focusing your attention on the breath, noticing the sensation of air moving in and out of your body, without judgment or distraction. Another popular mindfulness practice is mindful movement, such as yoga or Tai Chi. This involves paying attention to your body's movements and sensations as you perform gentle, deliberate movements. Mindful eating is another way to practice mindfulness. This involves paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, as well as the sensations in your body as you eat. The benefits of mindfulness are many. Research has shown that practicing mindfulness can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve overall well-being. It can also increase focus and productivity, and improve relationships with others. So if you're looking to live a more mindful and fulfilling life, start by taking a few moments each day to practice mindfulness. It's a simple yet powerful way to cultivate a greater sense of awareness, peace, and happiness. Thanks for watching.